So, how about number 5? How'd you do? I probably would have started by looking at this and thinking I had to add 2 to 1 to get 3. But then if I added 2 to 0, I would get 2, so that wouldn't work. So I need to find another way to get from 1 to 3. And in this case, I multiplied by 3. So 0 times 3 is 3, negative 1 times 3 is 3, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and so on. So that one wasn't too bad. How about number 6? Number 6 was really hard. Let's take a look at number 6. First I want to identify my points. I want to put them into my table. And number 6 was hard because we multiplied by 1/2 and then subtracted 1. So if you look at the line, you know it's a positive slope, and it's not a very steep slope, so it's going to be less than 1. And we're going to talk more about slopes later. So we have 4 different ways that we can represent functions. We have tables, which is what we were using right here. We have equations, which we also have referred to as our function rule. We can use graphs, which is what we've been doing. And then the last one is a verbal rule. And a verbal rule is when you're saying multiply a number x by 2 and then subtract 1. We were translating earlier in this chapter from English to algebra. Okay, so that was the last section for this chapter, and I will see you in class tomorrow.